And now welcome to the stage here at Corporate Village Hall, the Scorton Fevers.
Right, everyone. Good night. Hey, we're back to doing it. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we're the Scorton Fevers, the wanted all over the county.
Not for singing.
Going to sing a song about shopping, so if the gents in the audience want to go and have a wee, it might be a good time. We've done some slides here, so you know if you haven't been on the Lamborghini already, it might help you to keep up. Alright? Are we ready, Maestro? Let's give it a go. What's the worst that can happen, eh? Let me tell you the shop that's built me with red. It's blue and it's yellow, but I always see red. It's a furniture store that makes me want to shout. Because once you've entered, you can't find your way out. That's why I feel like Ikea. I won't go there again. I don't want a crystal filling or a table all spread. Don't go on Saturdays, we don't want the queue. That's on top of the hours, that's on 36. You can go on a Wednesday, but don't make me laugh. It's the size of Belgium, but there's no bloody staff. That's why I feel like Fear. I won't go there again. I don't want a crystal filling or a table all spread. It's a good 10-mile walk if you just want to chill. I know, want to go into a warehouse and keep easily still. While I struggle with rolling, didn't get very far. And the boxes are too big, they won't fit in me car. That's why I feel like Fear. I won't go there again. I don't want a crystal filling or a table all spread. Michael Palin is Cabaret. The world